everyone. Welcome to Let's Start Now English. I'm so excited to help you learn English today.
Lily, I have exciting news.
What is it, Grandpa?
We are going to travel to Barcelona, Spain.
Barcelona, really?
It will be a grand adventure.
What should I bring?
Comfortable clothes, walking shoes, and a light jacket.
I am very excited about this trip. There are so many people here.
Airports are busy places. People travel for vacations, work, and family visits.
Welcome aboard.
I love the window seat.
You will see the clouds from here.
The clouds look like soft mountains.
Sometimes they look like animals or castles.
The city is beautiful.
Barcelona is famous for art, culture, and architecture. This is La Sagrada Familia.
It is incredible.
Wow, Barcelona, it's so beautiful.
It is.
And Park Güell is even more magical.
The street feels alive.
Cities tell stories through their streets.
Wow, Grandpa, so many fruits.
Indeed, right.
It's the speechy.
When we travel, we learn new languages.
Really? Like what?
Hola means hello.
Hola, gracias. The ocean is beautiful.
Travel helps us learn about the world.
And every place has a story. This sunset is beautiful.
Beautiful moments make travel unforgettable.
Grandpa, where will we travel next?
The world is full of wonderful places.
I can't wait! Today was an amazing day.
And tomorrow will bring new discoveries.